Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Niña. Ahí baila. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for my no buy. It has been 21 months since I started this journey, and I cannot believe that I have made it. I'm 3 months away from hitting the 2-year mark, and I'm amazed. Only thing I have purchased in this second year has been replacement items. In the first year, I didn't buy anything. I didn't replace anything except for cotton rounds. That is the only thing I bought in the first year because those were just an absolute necessity. And I said in the second year I was going to do replacement only, and that's what I've done thus far. And I'm happy to say that I have made it the 21 months, and I'm happy about that. I'm ecstatic. And to be quite honest, I only had like a little tiny temptation this month because it's my birthday month, and I thank you all for the birthday wishes that everyone sent me for my birthday. I really appreciate that. And yeah, so I kind of felt a little bit tempted because I'm so used to buying myself a birthday present every year, and it's been a while. But I didn't do it. I didn't do it this year, and it, like, the thought crossed my mind, but I was like, nah, I really don't. I even did my window shopping where I went onto my Coastal Scents website and e.l.f. website, because I love both of those websites. I love all makeup, but I don't know, just I'm drawn to them probably because it's like the bargain shopper in me. And like, I would put stuff in my cart, and even as I was putting it in the cart, I was like, I really don't want it. So I would go back into the cart and I would delete it out. Then I would put a few more things in the cart, be like, no, I really don't need it, and, you know, get rid of them. And in the end, there was nothing in my cart. I know that if I had wanted something for my birthday, that I could have said to my husband, this is what I really want for my birthday, and that would not have affected my no buy at all. And there was nothing. There was absolutely nothing that I wanted for my birthday as far as like makeup and cosmetics. The only thing that I asked him to do for my birthday, which it hasn't happened yet, but it will, we've just been super busy, is I want to remodel my closet. Mine's the one closest to the door over here, and I just want to restructure the whole closet. And that's all I wanted for my birthday. I know that sounds crazy, but you know, I'm not so tempted anymore. And I do have to disclose that I did actually get 3 palettes for this past month, and I didn't buy a single one of them. I got 2 of them sent to me as PR, and I had one given to me by my sister-in-law for my birthday. And ironically enough, one of the PR palettes that I got is a dupe for the one that my sister-in-law got me for my birthday. And I love the palette, so I'm excited to have it. So I'm going to show you that, even though this isn't part of the replacement haul. I do want to disclose whenever I get something beauty related, even if I'm not buying it. So I'm going to show them to you. I'm going to start off with what I got for my birthday. There it is, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. I have opened it up and looked at it, and it's really pretty. I love the packaging on it. I mean, tell me that's not beautiful packaging. I like anything shiny and glittery. I am truly a girl. And this is what it looks like inside. Of course, the brush just fell out. It is just super pretty. And I can't wait to get into this one. And this is the palette that you guys have already seen that I got for PR. This is the Alter Ego Temptress palette. And I am going to cover the mirror. That's what that one looks like. I do have like a swatch and try on video. If I remember, I will link that up here if you want to check that out. And then the third palette that I got is, I can't even say it. It popped up in my words, Jessica, words. Throwing shade. Whew, it's late at night. That was yesterday, and I will link that up here if you want to see that. I don't even know how to say this brand name, but this is the palette that I got for PR. So I had 2 PR palettes and a birthday gift from my sister-in-law. So I technically got some new stuff in, and my sister-in-law works for Ulta, so I kind of had a feeling that she was going to get me something beauty related, and that is also part of why I didn't ask for anything, because she is great. She is on it. She knows I love my makeup. She usually gets me stuff at Christmas and my birthday, and I'm very appreciative of that. I have a really good sister-in-law. But yeah, I am still going strong on this no buy, and I'm going to continue to do it. I really think that I am going to make it to the 2-year mark. Still haven't decided what I want to do once I get there, but I really do think I'm going to make it to the 2-year mark, and we'll just go from there. I know some people have suggested that I check out other people's channels that have done no buys, and I thought about it, but I don't think I'm going to, because I look at things a little bit differently than other people. I have different life experiences. My day-to-day life is different, so my thought processes are going to be a little bit different than someone else that isn't in the same stage of life as me. So I think I'm just going to play it by ear once the 2 years is up, and maybe not make a formal plan as to what I'm going to do, and just see how it goes. I really don't know what I'm going to do. I say this time and again, I'm a fly by the seat of my pants kind of girl, so maybe that's what I'm going to do come June 23rd when I'm allowed to buy again. So we shall see. If you are on a no buy, let me know in the comments how you are doing, and if you need any support, I am here for you. You've got any questions about my no buy or your no buy, yeah, put them down there. I will respond as soon as I can. I am so behind on my comments. Life has just been insane lately, but I will get to them. And yeah, let me know how you're doing. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.